I'm currently here with Fritz from the University of Leuven. Welcome to the Data Innovation Summit. How was your talk?
It was great. Thanks for having me, by the way. I presented a machine learning approach towards education policy. So I'm mainly focusing on econometrics in my own research, but as part of a cooperation with the University of Milan and the University of Budapest, we constructed a machine learning approach based on random forest, how it's called, like that. And we try to identify the main determinants of good schools. So we want to see what are good schools and how do these variables contribute to student achievement. So that's the first step. They're identified, and the second step is we see how do they relate to each other. So for example, we see that increasing the number of schools under supervision of a school district, in Flanders we call that the schoolbestuur, we can see that the student achievement is increasing, but only if the school district is governed by a principal. So with this approach we are able to interact variables in a graph, so you can see really easily on that point it is the biggest added value for students. So you can find the optimal point. As a policymaker, this is really straightforward because you don't need a statistical background, and this is what we presented today in just 5 minutes.
It's very interesting.
Thank you.
And how do you think that big data or data science can help create a better world?
I think there's lots of possibilities. I've seen presentations this morning about cancer research, about the eye research, all these things, especially in health science. I think there's lots of opportunities, but also in education. I think we can learn a lot as researchers from the data science world. So it's been really interesting up to now, and I think spillovers will happen to continue between data science and academia.
Yeah, that's an event like this is perfect for
Yes.
connecting with each other.
Exactly.
So, last question. What does data science mean to you in one sentence?
In one sentence, I would say data science is a really nice tool to gain insights in complex societal problems. I think that's my main takeaway here.
That's a really good quote. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.